The next one that we're going to do is camouflage. I also like to call this one brains, because by the time you've finished it, binding it up, that's a bit what it looks like. You just scrunch the fabric up under your fingertips to create an even creasing all across the surface of the cloth. Then you take your string, just push it down with your thumb in the middle of the bundle, don't worry about tying a knot, and start to work around and around in circles from all sides with the string. And as you go, you gradually pull it tighter and tighter. This is a wonderful technique for creating urban camouflage on your clothing. I've created many pairs of very nice camouflage trousers using this technique, and it's also a very valuable technique for quilters because it gives you a very nice texture for your cloth. You want to work around the bundle from all directions. Don't be scared to wrap it even across the sides and the edges. By pulling the string tight around the edges of the shape, you will secure your bundle far more quickly than if you just work straight across the center. If the string breaks, don't panic. Just start again and keep going. You're going to put quite a lot of string around this, so it doesn't really matter. You'll just tie that end back in the process. Once it looks like you've secured the whole of the top surface, it helps to turn the bundle over and do the same on the bottom. Once you're sure that the bundle is secure, you can break your string and loop the thread under the way we did with the ball.